Welcome to Les Mills Mindfulness. Today's practice will be a body scan, so we'll start by coming to lie down on the ground on our backs, with our feet extended downwards. And if this is uncomfortable in your lower back, just bringing the feet flat on the floor with your knees pointing upwards. Making sure the chin is tucked in towards the chest and arms are comfortably lying alongside the body. The intention here is to make the posture nice and extended, but relaxed. And this is going to be a theme for the practice, cultivating a tension that is alert, but relaxed. So allowing the eyes to close if they're not already. And we'll begin by slowing and extending our in and exhales. Letting all the oxygen out on the exhale. And dropping out of the thinking mind, out of the busyness of the day, and just arriving with our attention in the body as it rests here now. On each out breath, just sinking a little bit deeper into this moment. And today we'll explore the different regions of the body with our attention. In each region we want to just lightly check in and see what is present. If there are any sensations, maybe temperature, tingling, maybe nothing. What we sense is not important. What is important is just this act of paying attention. And when you notice the mind has wandered off into thoughts, away from the body, just reconnecting to the region we're exploring. And we're going to start by placing our attention in the head, in the point of contact between the back of the head and the floor. And becoming aware of the weight of the head as it rests on the ground. And moving up to the crown of the head. And any sensations that might be here. And down into the forehead, and the eyes and the cheeks. And we can often carry a lot of tension in the eyes and cheeks, so using the next couple of waves of out breath and just giving the cheeks and eyes permission to relax. And if the mind has wandered off into thoughts, the future, the past, daydreams, just guiding it back, and we're going to place our attention now in the nose. And feeling the air moving in the nasal passage, and over the edges of the nostrils. Moving the attention down into the lips, Aware of any moment-to-moment changes here, any temperature or any tingling. Getting a sense of the tongue as it rests in the mouth. Any moisture here. And checking to see which surfaces the tongue is resting against. Moving down into the chin and jawline. We can also carry a lot of tension in the jaw, so in the next out breath, just allowing the jaw to relax. Moving down into the neck region. And shoulders. And if you sense the shoulders are tensed up towards the ears, just allowing them to sink down and relax and rest. And the shoulder blades and the back of the ribs resting on the ground. The front of the rib cage and chest muscles expanding with each in-breath. Let's feel the cycle of expansion and contraction here in the chest for the next few waves of breath. And recognizing if the mind has wandered. And just coming back to these waves of breath moving in the chest region. We're going to move our attention down both arms at the same time. And starting at the shoulders and the biceps. Triceps, elbows, forearms, wrists, and then gathering up all of our attention and placing it inside the hands. Noticing any sensations here, any tingling or pulsating, any aliveness. And we can bring in an attitude of curiosity. I'm just asking the question, what do the hands feel like right now? Just bringing some genuine curiosity here. This can help to focus our attention. Checking in with the fingers, thumbs, pointers, middle fingers, ring fingers, little fingers. And feeling the weight of the hands as they rest against the ground. Moving back up the arms, wrists, forearms, elbows, triceps, biceps, shoulders, and again just resting in the breath in the chest region just for a moment, and the expanding and contracting waves of the breath. Moving down into the belly now. And feeling the natural rhythm of swelling and sinking and easing. And the pause at the end of the out-breath. It's that moment of quiet. And moving down into the lower back. And the butt muscles pressing against the floor. And just feeling the weight of the pelvic region as it rests here. And moving up into the groin and up to the hips. Noticing if the mind has wandered, running through to-do lists or planning the day or the week. And just recognizing this and gently guiding the attention back, this time to the big quad muscles at the front of the legs. And the inner thighs. Outer thighs, and down into the big hamstring muscles here, hanging off the tibia bones, and down the backs of the knees and up through the insides of the knee joint. And tops of the knees and kneecaps. And moving down the shin muscles and the calf muscles. I'm just taking a couple of breaths to give these muscles some space to rest. Moving down into the ankles, and the heels pressing into the ground, and getting a sense of the weight of the feet as they rest here against the floor. And moving up the soles of the feet. The arches, the balls of the feet, and the toes of both sides. And just placing your attention in both feet as wholes, resting here. And we're going to finish by including our whole bodies in our awareness. Just resting here against the floor, feeling the waves of the breath in the body. And practices like the body scan help bring more awareness to our experience, help us spend more time being present in the moment as it is, rather than lost in thought. And this can help us bring more clarity and calm to our everyday lives. So as we bring the practice to a close, we can gently bring some movement back into the body. Just noticing what these little movements feel like. And allowing the eyes to open and letting in some light. And making your way back up to a seated position. And thank you for your practice.